Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to show months instead of dates on pivot table in Excel. So as you can see, like these are two tables. One of them is showing months and the second one is showing dates and months and years. So if you want to convert this table into this table, so here are like few steps that you need to follow. So make sure to follow step by step. So just right click on it, and once right click you will see an option called group. Just click on group, and once you click on group you will see a pop-up like this: grouping, starting at, ending at. And in this section, like seconds, minutes, days, hours, like months, quarters and years, so just make sure to click on the months. Like let's say we just want months just which just look like this, so you can just double click on months, or you can just click on months and click on OK. And after that, this table will be converted into this section. As you can see, like now if I copy it and paste it in a new sheet in this section, and let me just, as you can see, like this looks exactly like the table that we wanted in our, like the first one. We can just, as you can see, this one and this one, they are now same. So just make sure to follow the step-by-step process. Go to group, select months, double click or click on OK, and after that it will be converted. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.